Tradezella Review 2025. Is this the best trading journal? Tracking your trades is essential for growth, but is Tradezella the best trading journal in 2025? Let's break it down. Tradezella allows traders to log trades across stocks, crypto, and forex. Most people get this wrong. They assume any spreadsheet works, but Tradezella provides performance analytics, risk tracking, and visual charts that highlight your strengths and weaknesses. You won't believe what happens next. It can generate statistics on win rates, average gains, and trade patterns, helping traders refine strategies over time. The platform supports automation. You can import trades directly from brokers, reducing manual entry and errors. Alerts and reminders help traders stay disciplined, while dashboards summarize overall performance for the week or month. Pricing is subscription-based, but competitive, with different tiers for casual traders versus professionals. For active traders, the insights often justify the cost many times over. So, is Tradezella worth it? For anyone serious about improving trading performance, absolutely. For casual hobbyists, a free or simpler tracking tool may suffice. The surprising truth is that a proper trading journal does just record trade that actively helps you make better decisions, control risk, and increase profitability over time.